We came here to meet with higher education director. We knew that STGT exam has been conducted by TRBT last year September, I think 11 September. But till today, still 8 months going on, but result still not published. So that today we came here to meet Honorable our higher education director. We know that we are not only result. We know that as per at a report there are 5,304 vacant posts. So that we want to request through this media, Honorable Chief Minister, because at the present he is Education Minister also as well. That is why I want to request through this media to our Honorable Chief Minister Sarji, please look into this matter of our STGT as well as recruit all those who will be qualifying in 2022. That's all.